Hello, welcome back to Rift Wizard 2. So I thought today I'd try and do a chaos build. The interesting thing, or one of the interesting things that was added in the recent update was that spells can now add tags. So if we get the Chaos Bowl upgrade, this becomes a chaos spell, and I think there are some interesting things that we can do with that. It's not a great start to the level, started way away from everything. Anyway, level 1, we can just finish this off quickly and see what we get from our first few rifts. Okay, we have a heart, some staves, some shoes, cantrip clogs. I wonder if that's worthwhile. Every 7 steps regain a charge of level 1 spell that you know. I mean, I only really plan on picking up Fireball. I'm happy to go get a heart, that's fine. And to help us out, we can pick up Chaos Barrage, which is a very good spell. Okay, so there's our heart. What do we got here? Treasures. Nothing too interesting. Some caps. The flame gold is probably pretty good. Let's get a flame gold cap. So that'll be doing holy damage whenever we deal fire, which seemed worthwhile. Still don't one-shot these guys. In fact, I think I want to make my way up towards the top of the level and get those 2 SP orbs. That way we can grab Chaos Familiar, which will help out a lot, because he can cast our spells for free. Okay, there we go. We just have to be careful that he doesn't cast on us, which he can and will do. And if he's casting Chaos Barrage on us, that basically means that we die. But I think we should be fine. Yep, he should be able to finish off that. There we go. And let's see, heart here, another heart, and electric stuff. Let's go get another heart. Again, let's not let the Chaos guy do Chaos Barrage on us, that would be bad. We do have to be a bit careful with our positioning, now that we've got this guy. Okay, there's that one done. More SP. Let's see, another heart, more caps, we've already got a cap, and more caps. There's a heart here but no items, so I think I'll just re-roll. Okay, some free spells, none of which are interesting. Staves, none of those are interesting, and a heart, and at least we get a healing potion here. So, yep, let's go here. this guy is, the Master Wizard. He's kind of annoying, blinking us around. Can't quite reach him. There we go. Okay, 5 SP. Some treasures here, spells here, and a heart. So I think I'll grab Prince of Ruin right now. We are already doing fire, lightning, and physical, so Prince of Ruin is a pretty good pickup. That'll just chain our damage when we kill things with any of those elements. I probably do want to pick up Smart Bolts at some point, just so that we're definitely safe from being killed by our own Chaos Familiar. But we don't need it just yet, I don't think. Although it would be nice right now, so we could fire through him. Prince of Ruin already helping out. We're out of charges on Chaos Barrage, so we need our Familiar to kill the slimes for us. But I think we're okay now, just got the spiders left. Completely out of charges, but that's fine. Chaos Familiar will finish things up. Okay, let's see. Heart, pets, heart. Heart and the portal key, heart nothing. There's troubles on this level. At least it's closed off though. On a big open level, troubles are kind of annoying for us because we don't really have the range to hit them with Fireball. But in a closed off level like this, it should be fine. So yeah, we should be okay going here. Can I hit both these guys at once? Nope. I guess Prince of Ruin helped out though. Actually yeah, Prince of Ruin is probably going to be pretty good because everyone is forced to be pretty close due to the corridors. Cool. 7 SP. Let's see. What I want to do is get Rain of Fire and then upgrade that to Chaos Storm so that we're doing Annihilate with our meteors, and that'll make this into a Chaos spell. So the idea with that is that if this is casting Annihilate from our meteors, up to 3 Annihilates from every meteor, that's 27 Annihilates. If we have this Earth Wrath skill, whenever we cast a Chaos spell we do physical damage to enemies. And if we're doing that 27 times a turn, that is pretty good, I think. So I want to make my way towards Rain of Fire. That's the ultimate plan. But I guess before we get there, there are still a few fire spells I'd like to pick up. Like Searing Heat. And we can go in this level and get Searing Heat right away. This is a good level for it. So yeah, I can do that. I didn't even look at this actually. We don't really get anything worthwhile. I guess we can pick up Flamegate. We do want to pick up smart bolts so that our Chimera doesn't kill us. I can probably get away without doing that though if I'm just careful with positioning, so I probably do want to do that if I can. Now should I actually get Flame Gate or should I get something else? We're not doing any enchantment, so Glass Orb is not too useful. Silver Spear is always good, and that would help us do different damage types. Moonglaive, not too exciting. I might just pick up Silver Spear. I don't think we need the extra minions. And having holy damage available is nice. Okay, let's see. Pets, treasures. The Blade Staff could be good. A flat +6 damage on spells and skills is pretty decent. Or a Ruby Heart here. The Liches are going to be irritating, because they also summon Ghost Liches who are then going to leave their soul jars everywhere. I guess with Prince of Ruin it's probably okay. Let's start in the corner. Let's wait a turn so that they summon their soul jars. And now let's Chaos Spell. Chaos Spell didn't work out as well as I'd hoped. There's still a few soul jars lying around. In fact, we might be stuck behind this witch. I think we are. Okay, let's teleport. Let's kill these things. Get ourselves our Blade Staff. If we're getting the Blade Staff, I definitely want to get Chaos Barrage, Smart Bolts, because this guy is now doing 12 damage times 9, so if he casts it on top of us, we could take up to, what's that, 108 damage, which is a lot. We really want to take out this Wedge Lever Soldier. It's just a random soldier by itself, I guess so. Okay, we did have to use a teleporter there, which is a bit unfortunate to take out the soul jars, but that's fine. What else? Fire, melting armor. Don't need that just yet. Fiery Tome, that would be pretty good once we do get Rain of Fire, because there's only one charge by default. Smart Bolts is also a good pickup for these guys, because now it's not going to be doing fire since they're immune to it. Chaos Barrage should be able to kill them pretty quickly, up to 108 damage. Yeah, we can kill these guys. Ah, another Lich. Can we get to here, soldier? Yeah, okay, there we go. Prince of Ruin got it. Nice. Cool. Okay, so we've actually got 9 SP. We could pick up Rain of Fire right now, and I may do that. So if we do get Rain of Fire, what we want are levels like this, basically, big open ones where we can get the most use out of Searing Heat. We've already got a hat. We don't get much from this. I guess we got a stopwatch and a death ice. That's not the worst. That level was a bit closed off. This level is very closed off. So I guess I care more at this point about levels layout than the rewards that we could get. So I'm going to do this level. I do have to be careful about these ice belchers because they can freeze us, which is going to stop us channeling Rain of Fire. Okay, but we should be okay. Okay, so we pick up Rain of Fire. We already have Searing Heat, so we're doing 9 fireballs a turn, which means 9 Searing Heat damage every turn. Very good. Oh yeah, we also have that Flame Gold cap, that's probably helping out a bit too. And there you go. That's what we want from now on. Nice easy levels. We don't want any of those. There's another Fiery Tome here. Don't really need more than 1 extra charge on Rain of Fire, I feel. I mean, if the level is good, we'll just go here. Level is not terrible, not the best. Fear faces are a bit of an issue, so are gremlins, because if they fear us, we break channeling, and we have effectively wasted our charge. Okay, none of these levels are great. This one's not terrible, but I think I am going to try for a reroll. This level is pretty decent. This guy's kind of dangerous, but only when there's lots of enemies on the level. So that's fine. Pretty closed off. This level is also fine. The only issue here is that the Troublers could blink us into the middle of our Rain of Fire. And then we blow ourselves up. So I think I'll go up here. We also get a heart from this level, which is nice. Let's see, what's your range? Not that far actually. So we should be okay just starting up here and doing Rain of Fire. Okay, so there's that guy gone. I don't think he can see any of the fireballs we're doing, so we'll do another one over there. And that killed him. 8 SP. So we can pick up Chaos Storm, which will be giving us, every time we have a meteor, there's a chance that it'll cast Annihilate if there's enemies nearby. So that'll be giving us stuff, Chaos stuff, and it'll also add the Chaos tag to the spell. We don't yet have enough SP for Earth Wrath and that upgrade though, so there's not much point getting it just yet. This is a nice level. These guys can't freeze us, right? Yeah, this should be fine. I guess I would just pick up the upgrade right now. So Chaos Storm, yeah, each meteor casts your Annihilate on 3 enemy units within 4 tiles, and it adds the Chaos tag. So now Rain of Fire is Chaos, and we are potentially doing Annihilate as well. And again over here. Nice. So yeah, we did 117 fireballs and 78 annihilates. So it's not kicking in every fireball, but a lot of the time it is. So once we get Earth Wrath, that will work really nicely. And we can actually get that right now. Okay, let's see. This level, we do have some Grey Gorgons who can petrify us. That will prevent us from channeling. This level's not too bad. There are some cockatrices, same thing, they can freeze us, which will stop the channeling. Fire spirits are really bad, because we're doing so many fireballs, they're going to accrue a ton of health. So we would probably have to do one of these, which means I think I want to use a stopwatch. Yep, that's fine. We're probably going to get Word of Chaos eventually, so stopwatches aren't as valuable. Okay, we can get ourselves a pet. Don't really want any of these pets. I suppose this guy is the least offensive, least likely to get in our way. The Lich could leave a soldier next to us and block us off, potentially. And he could also cast Chaos Ball on us. The Gorgon could petrify us. Yep, so I guess I'll just get this guy. Okay, let's see what we've got. This level's not too bad. This level is pretty good. There are some Ash Fiends who 100% resist fire. But we are going to be doing physical and lightning from the Annihilates and the Earth Wraths. So I think I can actually just go here. We don't get much from the level. A fiery dagger. None of these have great rewards. I guess this one does have a healing potion. This level looks like the easiest, so I think I'll just go here. Okay, let's see. 9 SP. We've got our basic chaos skills. We don't have melting armor yet. Let's just get melting armor. That's a good pickup. I guess we can pick up a spell. Seal Fate. Why not? Fate Plate here. That's pretty nice. Plus this is a great level, no fire resistance, big open level. Well, I guess these guys have fire resistance, but nothing immune. Heart here, terrible level. Not bad, but we get better rewards from this one. So let's... I actually don't know whether the Arcane Blast that these guys do removes channeling. I don't know if that counts as a buff. So we don't want to start near those guys. Let's start up here. Just double checking, I'm not missing anything, am I? I did actually want to get Parasthetic Curse, and then get the Parasthetic Chaos upgrade, because that will give us more Chaos spells being cast. I don't need it right now though. In fact, I think we can afford that. So yeah, Parasthetic Curse. We curse our targets, which is good. Whenever a cursed target takes fire damage, 2 random enemy units are dealt lightning. And then if we upgrade that with Parasthetic Chaos, whenever you cast another Chaos spell, cast Parasthetic Curse at that position. So this means that whenever we cast Rain of Fire, we start doing our Fireballs and we start doing our Annihilates. Whenever we do an Annihilate, we also cast Parasthetic Curse. So we're doubling up on the amount of Earth Wrath that's being triggered, which is really good. And we can pick up Fate Plate. Shields are nice. This level... we do have to worry about these guys freezing and petrifying us. Lots of enemies here with massive range. I guess we could start behind this corner. This level's fine. Probably the easiest. There are some 100% resist fire guys, but that shouldn't be an issue with Earth Wrath and Parasitic Curse. So I think I'll just do this one because it seems easiest. Yeah, that worked out very well. So, in order to get even more chaos going, because Annihilate is not guaranteed to trigger off of Rain of Fire, that's only happening if there are enemies near the meteor. We can guarantee chaos if we get Chaos Bowl. So I think I do want to get that, I just don't know if I would rather have Word of Chaos first. These levels aren't great so far. This one's good. Yep, this level is pretty straightforward. We can just pick up Chaos Bowl. So now this is also a Chaos spell. And the nice thing about this is that it'll deal physical lightning fire. It's still a fire spell, so it'll still be triggering Searing Heat. And then when things do get the Melted Armor debuff, Fireball will swap to doing physical damage, because that'll be doing more. This level, yeah, this is fine. I think these guys can petrify actually. So we do want to start way up here so we don't get our channeling interrupted. Yeah, a lot of damage from Prince of Ruin and Earth Wrath. That's pretty nice. We were doing 81 Fireballs, 23 Annihilates, 106 Parasitic Curses, so, and 2 Rain of Fires. Every single one of those spells would have triggered an Earth Wrath. In fact, maybe we should, this has already got a pretty large range actually. I was thinking that we could get Master of Space to improve the range on that skill, and it might still be worthwhile, because then it'll also improve the range on Prince of Ruin. So yeah, Master of Space, maybe I should get that. I think I will get that actually. Let's just get Master of Space right now. So now Prince of Ruin is up to 6 tiles away. This is still 8. Oh well. At least Prince of Ruin is slightly improved. This guy can teleport us around. This guy can freeze us, which will stop us from channeling. So I think we do go here. I want to take out that slimy spawner pretty quick. This level should be pretty easy though. Nice. Okay, 6 SP. Can enter the next level and get Prince of Ruin. I mean, not Prince of Ruin. Word of Chaos. That is a Chaos spell, so if we get Word of Chaos, we can also get Chaos Casting. Whenever you cast a Chaos spell, you have a 25% chance of regaining charges of another random Chaos spell. Pretty much all of the spells that we're using are Chaos. And when we do Rain of Fire, we're casting 9 Fireballs and potentially up to 27 Annihilates, and also guaranteed 9 Parasitic Curses and however many Annihilates worth of Parasitic Curses, so we would never run out of charges if we got that upgrade. I don't know if we really need it, but we may as well get it. I think I like this level. Let's start here. I don't know if we even really need to do Word of Chaos, but I'll pick it up. Word of Chaos. Stun everyone for however long. 5 turns. Get a million Earth Wraths going. Already got some decent debuff on Pope. Didn't quite manage to get him with just one Rain of Fire. Minus 4,000. There we go. Oh, 493,000 from Earth Wrath. That's a lot. I guess most of that was going into Pope, and then he was healing the excess because he has his damage limit thing. Carnival of Pain. I mean, that works. That's chaos. Might as well pick it up, it's for free. Now, Chaos Casting we can just pick up in Mordred, but I really don't think we need it. We probably want to level... big open level with lots of enemies, ideally. I guess this is fun. We've got 7 healing potions, we don't really need more. But yeah, that's... these guys are all going to die, actually, to... oh, no, we're not doing that much damage. I was going to say they're all going to die to Word of Chaos. Okay, so let's pick up Chaos Casting, which means we never run out of charges. We do Word of Chaos to stun. We do Carnival of Pain, because why not? And we do this. Mordred should just die. There we go, he's dead. We're still channeling. We can just channel another turn. He'll get hit by all the Searing Heat. Still channeling, right? Yeah. We got swapped. Mordred's back over here, we're still channeling. We can Word of Chaos again. Like, yeah, why not? We're getting back charges on it, so it's basically free. Okay, he has clarity. Let's just wait a turn. Word of Chaos. He has clarity. Word of Chaos. He has clarity. Word of Chaos. Very easy Mordred fight. Yeah, that worked out really well. So I think Chaos was already a pretty decent school, but being able to add Chaos tags to spells that normally don't have them is just making it a lot better. Earth Wrath was doing really well because we were doing so many Chaos spells. But yeah, that was pretty fun. So yeah, Fireball here, Chaos Barrage, Chaos Familiar. What else? Prince of Ruin, Searing Heat, the Blade Staff here, so we got Smart Bolt so that we didn't die to our own Chimera. I don't think we really ended up using Silver Sphere, but that's fine. Fiery Tome, Rain of Fire, Chaos Storm, Earth Wrath. That's where things really start to get silly, I think. Once you've got Earth Wrath going with all of these Chaos casts. Yeah, lots of Annihilates, lots of Earth Wrath, Melting Armors, Parasitic Curse, Parasitic Chaos, which means we're getting even more Earth Wrath. Chaos Ball, Master of Space. I thought that would improve the range on Earthwrath. It did improve the range for Prince of Ruin, so I guess it was still a worthwhile pickup. The server was a crazy amount of damage. Word of Chaos, and then we got the Chaos casting here, which meant we just never ran out of charges, so we could just spam Word of Chaos to keep Mordred stunned. That was pretty great. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.